Greetings, friends. We welcome you to the transmission of the international shortwave radio station, WMLK, broadcasting from Bethel, Pennsylvania, United States of America. Bethel, Pennsylvania is located approximately 130 miles west of New York City. WMLK is licensed to broadcast from 0400 to 0900 UTC and from 1700 to 2200 UTC. WMLK Radio is licensed by the Federal Communications Commission to broadcast at 50,000 watts of power. We invite your communication if you hear this signal. We offer free items of literature. Write to Radio WMLK, Post Office Box C, C as in Charles, Bethel, Pennsylvania 19507, United States of America. That's WMLK Radio. Post Office Box C, as in Charles, Bethel, Bethel, Pennsylvania. Our zip code is 19507. That's 19507, United States of America. Now we invite you to remain tuned for our program scheduled to be presented in this broadcast segment.